Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1966 Chevrolet C10 short box truck. Killer truck, guys. Runs and drives excellent. Got a healthy cammed up 454 underneath the hood. Air. Complete frame off restoration that's been fully documented. Killer truck, man. I actually bought a pair of trucks from an older man here out of Knoxville, Tennessee. He built both of these trucks, did a beautiful job on them. They're just great trucks. I can't say enough about it. This one's finished in PPG Carousel red. It's got charcoal leather interior. Brand new 20-inch US mags around, all the way around it with brand new rubber. Killer truck, man. It's got a cowl hood, new glass. I mean, it's just new. They say there isn't, but 1,000 miles on the truck since it's done. Brand spanking new air conditioning. He just put that on for me. And I love 66 Chevrolets, man. I think this is one of the best looking body styles there is. Paint slick. There's not a whole lot you can really nitpick on the truck, guys. Turn the key, take it right to the show. Put mirrors underneath it. See, the chrome and stainless is beautiful. Fit and finish is very nice. Again, brand new rubber, brand new wheels. New glass. I love this body style. Matter of fact, I have one of these set aside for myself. I love these trucks. I think 66 is just a great looking body style. Oak bed, custom fuel tank. Pretty truck. You put the old school hinges on it with the coating over the chains. I love those tail lights. Truck's nice and straight down the sides. Again, new rubber, new wheels. These trucks just have great lines. Really goes down the road good. Front disc brakes. This thing is new. Good doors. Again, healthy 454 big block underneath the hood. Edelbrock 4-barrel, Weiand aluminum intake. It's got a Lunati camshaft. The cam card is in there. Hedman headers, aluminum water pump, big aluminum radiator with electric fan and a flex fan. Power steering, power front disc brakes, brand new vintage AC. 400 turbohydramatic trans with a small stall, probably 2,500 stall. I mean, you can see there's a couple little, touch-up marks, but that's just nitpicking the truck. Killer truck, man. Just little dusters on it. Very nice underneath. Got good pictures of the bottom of the truck for you. It's got little side mirrors for it, new door handles. I mean, you see all that glass is super nice. Door skins are clean, all new interior. It's got custom leather buckets with a buddy seat, shoulder harness seat belts, new carpet, new sill plate, new door rubbers, tilt column with a billet wheel. It's got the stock dash, but he's got some aftermarket gauges in here. Showing 45,817. I'm sure that's 145, guys, but they say there's hardly any miles on the truck. Aftermarket tach and gauges, radio delete truck. Again, does have tilt. It is a Flowmaster dual exhaust system. You got 12 bolt 355 limited slip rear end. This does all function. Matter of fact, I checked it just to make sure it's got a full tank of gas. And I want to make sure the fuel gauge is working. It's actually got a full tank of fuel in it. Custom fuel cell in it with a sump pump. But the tailgate all works. It is exactly like mine. It's way easier to open these when you fuel them. Again, very nice underneath. Truck's killer. Original owner's manual with protecto plates inside. I'll show you, pull this stuff out too here in 1 second. Here is a bunch of receipts for the resto. And then here is all the pictures of the truck. All that goes with it. He gave me both of those. Again, it's a custom bucket, leather seat. It's a charcoal gray. All the gauges work. Like I say, air's brand new. It blows ice cold. It's got electric wipers on it. They work. You go ahead and start it up, Mike. Again, new door handles. It's got the custom mirrors on it. Go ahead and start it. Back off. Yep, air blows cold. It's brand new. I'm going to cut that edge. Nasty little cam in there. Really, that ain't working, man. Switch for your, what do you call it? Fuel gauge does work. It's full of fuel. Everything else, I think the battery gauge is up there. Everything else is down here. Tach and gauges, holds good oil pressure. Good truck, man. Doors open and close nice. Give a little rev, Mike. Hear that cam, man. Truck rocks too, guys. It's got an on-off switch underneath the dash. Like I say, no radio, blower motor and everything does work though. Tach works, temp gauge, all that stuff is down there. Wipers. I love these turn signals. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.